Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I have another video for you guys, and this will be the unboxing video. This is in collaboration with Gino's. This is pretty much a jewelry haul. They have sent me a couple of products to share it with you guys. And by the way guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is CHRISTINA Bautista, and I do videos such as like these. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And also while you're here, if you could please hit the like button and share the video so other people will see it. This will also help the channel so I can create more videos such as like these. So without further ado, let's jump right off to unboxing. So for those of you who are not aware about Gino's is a personalized jewelry brand that offers a meaningful and creative way to tell your own story through photo charms, engravable charms, bracelets, rings, necklaces, and earrings. They have these very unique style of earrings, and they also have for men, so it's not also geared for women, but they also have for men. These are all perfect for gifts and any type of occasions. I have a discount code, guys, by the way, if you'd like to purchase and explore more about their products. I am going to be putting down the link in the description box below. Gino's is pretty much similar to Pandora. If you are familiar with Pandora and you have that, they have those bracelet, they have those chain and charms to include. It tells the story, you know, whatever story that you have, it's similar to that. Okay, so the first one that I have here is the natural rose quartz charm. It's a bead and it's a sterling silver 18K rose gold heart. This is made of a 925 sterling silver. It's a rose quartz, is the stone of unconditional love. It also carries a peaceful romance that many people find soothing in times of emotional upset. So every girl can't resist its beautiful appearance. And the second one that I have is Gino's You Are Beautiful Like the Diamonds in the Sky, made out of 925 sterling silver as well. So these are plated with rose gold and laid with colorful diamonds that expresses the feeling of elegance and fashion with colorful stone charms. This is like making a statement whenever it is worn. They are very pretty charm, and it's made of sterling silver and studded with beautiful crystals of different colors. So the next one that I have is Gino's Make Your Own Luck. It's a 4-leaf clover. It is also a 925 sterling silver with white and pink stone. It's a 4-leaf clover charm. It has a pink stone in the center. It's so beautiful, clover shape. Pretty much for me, it's an eye-catching charm that is so beautiful. This is the bracelet with a safety chain. Keep in mind, by the way, that it is a free bracelet with safety chain on every order. So this is what it looks like. So pretty much this is more like a safety chain. It's gonna do a stopper too. And by the way, just for the purpose of this video, I removed the safety chain. It is removable because I wanted to add the charms right next to each other. So I don't want to do any kind of spacing. This is pretty much what it does. The chain does a kind of like a stopper. If you don't want the charms to be right next to each other, you can have those. You can include those. So I will be including all the charms right next to each other. So this is what it looks like now, guys. By the way, this is size 17, the size of the bracelet. They have a different sizes, so make sure that you have the right size when choosing the bracelet. So this is size 17 for me because I kind of have a tiny wrist. Okay, let me just go ahead and put this on. So this is what the bracelet looks like. It's very pretty, guys, and it's just right. So this is size 17. It doesn't feel tight or loose. And I have all these 3 charms right here. Like I said earlier, I removed the safety chain only for the purpose of this video because I want to include all those charms right next to each other. I don't want any spacing. So okay, so the next one is a necklace, and it has a chain. It's a silver chain. Let me just go ahead and put this on. So these are so beautiful. It's an exquisite red agate gold necklace, symbolizes luck, wealth, and happiness. And I would completely wear this every day, guys, because it's just so pretty and it's just so elegant at the same time. What I have right now, it's a silver chain. Okay, so the next one that I have here is the brown square sparkle wishbone ring set. This is a very beautiful set of rings. They are also as well a 925 sterling silver with sparkling brown square CZ gemstones with a wishbone E-shaped ring. So this is so simple yet elegant. I really like the color of it, and you can basically wear them in different fingers, or you can wear them both in one finger. So this is so simple yet elegant. The two parts of this ring can be worn on their own or match each other to create a unique look. This is size 6, by the way. When they gave me 2. It's a set of 2. By the way, I have all these products linked in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check these out. And the next one that I have right now is Gino's Sparkling Lucky Clover Stud Earrings. So these are Lucky Clover earrings, so which is very beautiful. It's also a 925 sterling silver, just the right amount of sparkle to your ears with this timeless and elegant pair of a 4-leaf clover ear studs. So it's a stunning emerald and pink CZ stones with a halo of a smaller stones, and it's so beautiful. You can wear them into the casual or special occasions. They're very comfortable and they're a very nice earring, by the way, guys. So this is the earrings that they have sent me. So I've actually worn all of them. So they gave me rings. It's a set of 2. And then I have these necklace and then a pair of earrings and the bracelet with 3 charms. And yes, by the way, I have the safety chain, but I remove it just for the purpose of this video. These are all the products that they have sent me, and then I'm very loving it as well. If you wanted to learn more about their products, go ahead and click that link in the description box below. And also, guys, I have a discount code, so take advantage of that discount. It's also going to be in the description box below. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!